not saying that just because you have invited me here, but I used to search for this bank when this bank was opened for the first time in Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. I was chief conservator there. I went personally myself to the bank and introduced myself to them and told them I want to open an account. And that account is still continuing with me. Later on, I got cards with me. I shown to your people there, Praveen and other people. So I got both very premium credit card and debit card both with me. And later I was transferred to Shimla as additional principal chief conservator there also. I got it transferred there. I used to walk down to the branch manager. They used to respond very well. I tell you, it's something like that. There శివాలయానికి మనం సోమవారం వెళ్ళకూడదు, అలాగే దుర్గా ఆలయానికి బుధవారం వెళ్ళకూడదు, వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి దగ్గరికి శనివారం వెళ్ళకూడదు. అలాగే మీరు స్టేట్ బ్యాంక్ మే బి a very good bank. I don't say it's a nationalized bank, we have to respect it. But when it comes to the point of giving services, you have to look at branches like HDFC Bank, and where you will get very prompt and very quick response. And I always never visited the bank. This goes to your credit. My credit card started with maybe very small amount of 2.5 lakh, 2 lakh limit, and it went up to 7.5 lakh. Only on the SMS. They used to say that we have chosen you to upgrade your thing. Say yes or no. Just click yes. The next moment, next day you will get that it is enhanced. Your limit has been enhanced. And even the software is so good, Varma. I tell you, it's excellent software. I never had any problem with the software while using. I always do online transactions with HDFC Bank. And as you know that, coming to the markets also HDFC Bank is the leading one. Whose share always is at 1500 something like that. And no person in the markets, share markets, whoever is reading the news said that don't invest in HDFC Bank. This goes to prove your caliber and credit and everything. And like your zonal head Raugar said that, see, you have to really look at the customers like your point. See, because we have got many options where you can invest. See, if you don't get proper response from you, why should I come and invest in your bank? Better, you are offering only 5%, 3%, 2%. Some banks are offering in savings bank only 3%. It's better to keep in my home and open it up and take out. But banking institution had such a faith, Indians had such a faith in banks. Nobody gets any interest abroad, so they don't have any interest. But here in India, banking institutions used to support the economy like that. Now with the recent happenings, very bad happenings like that Kingfisher fellow and then Nirav Modi, banking institutions have lost its credibility to a great extent. Now you have to build up this credibility, and it all depends on you. The Indian economy is dependent on banking systems. Now we have lost the Andhra Bank, which used to be the favorite bank of Andhra people. Now you have got very easy access to enter the minds of the people. Never had any impression on Union Bank, and all these things were all considered to be North Indian banks. But you are a national bank. It's not your North Indian or South Indian. It's not like that. Like Andhra Bank was a South Indian bank, whereas HDFC Bank was spread everywhere. And you are known for your services. I was just reading through when you have asked me, so I was looking at that. And it was all 2019 figures that they say that you got around 5,500 branches spread over in 2,767 cities. And as told by him, it must have gone maybe 10%, 20% more. One day they are opening 6 branches.
Today we have 128 branches.
That's what I am saying, that you must be running like anything. It shows that you issued 2.35 crore debit cards and 1.2 credit cards. All these figures are all these figures are of 2019. And just when you refer to it now, you will come to know. When the HDFC Bank was started in 94 by Sardar Manmohan Singh when he was the Union Finance Minister. So you got all merits, all credits. You are holding, you are shown in the Wikipedia as one of the leading capitalization you are holding. I don't know the exact word of that.
Market capitalization.
Highest capitalization figures you are holding in the country. So many merits. Only thing is that you have to enter into the minds of the people. And I am thankful to Rao Garu because your people, they have got excellent speaking skills and communication skills. Probably many people may have some problems. But they first approached her, and thank you very much when you declared our VSCZ as the neighborhood heroes when you came to and that has really boosted our morale like anything. And now, as on today, yesterday's figure speaks that we have achieved a growth of 16.6%. Whereas the country's total SCZs, complete put together, the growth is minus 1.6%, whereas VSCZ is 16.6%. And we have crossed 1,05,000 crore exports as on date. For the first time in 32 years, we have crossed 1 trillion mark. It was never in the history of 32 years VSCZ has achieved this much of exports. So we have still yesterday it was 1,05,542 crores exports we have taken. And credit goes to the teamwork of all the units, developers, our officers and everybody. And I tell you, there is no shortcut for success. And Praveen and Sumant and Sudhakar, they keep on coming to us, and including Sudhir, they have come to us. It's good that make an attempt. I tell you a very simple example. It's a very funny example. Don't think otherwise. I always think like motivating people like me. So when I go for a walk, so my daughter is now in say Los Angeles. She's working there. So she used to give biscuits to stray dogs. So when she was leaving for US in 2017, she asked me that give sometimes to the dogs because they are my favorite things. So I started offering some biscuits to the dogs while in the morning walk. So what happened after 1 week? Many dogs started running after me. Tell her how to come out of this crisis. Then I said, I will not offer one day anything. So what happened then? I walked and some dropped in the back, some dropped in the back. At the end of my walk, there was only one dog. So I said, I gave all the biscuits to this one. This should be the kind of persuasion that we should learn. If you are after target, so don't leave it and keep on pursuing. And you will be the successful winner in the market. And if you already have good team, like all young team, all excellent team, and your services are unmatched, whether you come to me or not, I'm not going to keep the card outside. It is always with me. And it's really good. I'm telling you, it's not because you invited me here. I'm saying that it was my favorite card.
We are so blessed to hear from you. We are so blessed to hear.
No, I was highly impressed. Nobody asked me to open an account. I went into Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh.
Still remember, this may be 2 decades ago.
No, not 2 decades, maybe 10 years back. 10 years back. Yeah. I went to the bank. The ambience itself is very good. Your white, blue, and all these colors, unlike red and other things. So, just please build up credibility. There is no shortcut for success. You have to work hard. We worked hard in 2 years, and we have achieved. In 2 years, Rahul, our growth was more than 37%. In 2019, it was 74,000 crore was the export. Now today is 1,05,000 crore export.
All credit goes to you and your team.
No, our team, yeah, we work very hard that way. And thank you.
I read all your statements. This is all I remember. 540.
And I tell you, you need publicity. You have to tell your players. Nobody is going to appreciate you. You have to tell this is what I have done. Otherwise, nobody is going to. Now, when I joined Indian Forest Service in Himachal Pradesh, my boss was a Bihari. So, Mr. P.K. Sinha is no more. So, I joined with him and I said, after 6 months, he said, रेड्डी साहब अपना ACR लिखो बोला. मैं क्या लिखूं 6 महीने में उन्होंने एक लफ्ज बोला तो I remember those lines even now. बोले if you don't praise yourself, the world is not going to praise you. So keep praising. You are doing good job. Keep praising. All the best. All the team, HDFC team here, the manager, cluster head, zonal head, cluster head, bank manager, and these people who always keep meeting me. Thank you very much. For your persuasive skills.
Our pleasure.
Yeah? We'll definitely use your service.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
సార్ మంచి హీట్ మార్చ్ లో మీరు హిమాలయంలో కూలింగ్ ఫీలింగ్ ఇచ్చారు సార్ మాకు.
It's not like that.
Very kind of you.
I tell you the ambience itself very good.
Yes, very kind.
He's a lucky Muslim.
Ah, yes.
No, we have to